Assalamu alaikum. We are going to draw and color a beautiful picture of a house, a tree, and a smiling sun. We are going to draw the outlines for everything. Draw a big rectangle in the middle of your paper, like this. Now draw a roof. Draw a triangle for the roof. Let's add some windows so light can come in, like this. Now draw the door so we can go inside. Now draw this. Now we draw some birds and a happy sun. Every house needs a friend like a big green tree. This is the tree trunk and these are leaves of our tree. Very good. Time to color. Use orange color for the main body of our house. Color carefully inside the lines. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. You are doing very well. Don't cross the lines. Use sky blue color for the window. Same color here. Now use pink color for the roof. You did it very well. Now use purple color. Use red color for this section and yellow color. Use brown color for the door and orange color. A very nice color. Now use yellow color for the sun. A very happy sun. Use parrot color for the grass and use same color for the leaves of the tree. Like this. Very good. Very good. Use brown color for the tree trunk. Use green color for the grass. Look at the beautiful picture you have created. You did very well. Allah Hafiz.